up so early. Your smile so warm, it comforts me. Your gentle steps filled with care. In every prayer, my name is there. Mother, you're the light in my life. In your arms I feel no strife. Your tears become my silent prayer. Your love so pure none can compare. When I stumble, you lift me high, with strength unshaken. You stand nearby. Your words a guide through darkest night. In my heart you shine so bright. Mother, you're the light of my life. In your arms I feel no strife. Your tears become my silent prayer. Your love so pure none can compare. Even if the world forgets my name, your love will always stay the same. Through every breath and passing time, your name forever echoes in mine. Mother, thank you for all you do. No words could ever repay you. Forever you'll live in my heart so true. Mother, you're the light of